Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the battery in your Lenovo Legion C16. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel. As you lift the panel, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean environment is essential for optimal performance, so consider using compressed air to blow out any dust. Now, locate the battery. It is typically a large rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before disconnecting the battery, ensure that you have grounded yourself to prevent static discharge. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert assistance if needed. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Keep these screws together with the others you've removed. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Take a moment to compare the old battery with the new one to ensure compatibility. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place, and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Make sure it clicks into place firmly. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the panel with the laptop body and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Finally, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Monitor the battery performance to ensure it's charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. You can also request a quote before any repair work is carried out, ensuring transparency in our services. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Legion C16. Enjoy your revitalized laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.